Hi everyone, we are very excited to announce that we are conducting an online abacus competition which is named as Srinivasa Ramanujan Online Abacus Competition. So coming to the details, the date is 25th September 2021 and the time is 8 pm IST. In India time it's 8 pm IST, and the good thing about this competition is if you are from any institution or from any level, or if you have already learned the abacus in the past, still if you are interested in this competition, you can participate in this competition for free. So there is no registration charges for this competition. Whatever competition we are conducting, we are not charging anything from you, and we are also giving prizes for the winners. I am repeating this again, we are also giving prizes for the winners and we are not charging anything. If you are interested, you can directly register in the Google form and you can participate. There is no registration fee and competition fee. And if you are interested to join our abacus classes, we also conduct abacus classes. If you are interested, you can contact or WhatsApp to this number. Now coming to the details, there are two categories in this competition, the first category and second category. You should participate in only one of the category, not both the categories. Now what is category 1 and category 2, I will tell you. In category 1, you have only one paper, that is only abacus paper, and that is for 5 minutes. Coming to the syllabus, it is 1 digit, 2 digit, 4 rows, 2 digit, 4 rows and 2 digit, 5 rows. In each row you will be having 15 questions. 15 questions in one row, first row, 15 questions in second row, 15 questions in third row. Don't worry if you are not understanding. In the description below, I have shared the practice papers or sample papers I have shared. You can have a look at the papers after you watch this video. Now this is about category 1. Now category 2, there are 3 papers. Paper 1 abacus 5 minutes, paper 2 visualization, addition and subtraction 3 minutes, paper 3 multiplication and division with visualization 3 minutes. Now what is the syllabus? In paper 1, this is for category 2. In paper 1, you will be having 3 digit 4 rows for the first row, 2 digit 3 digit zigzag 5 rows, and in the third row you will be having 3 digit 5 rows. In the each row you will be having 15 questions. Row 1 15, row 2 15, row 3 15 questions. Now coming to paper 2, it is visualization 3 minutes, addition and subtraction. First row is 2D 3 rows, second row is 2D 4 rows, third row is 3D 3 rows. And coming to the paper 3, you will be having 20 2 digit into 1 digit multiplication, 3 digit by 1 digit division, 20 questions. So this is the syllabus and you should select only one category. Okay, now coming to the rules, the first rule is you should select only one category. You should not select both the categories. And second rule, you should set up the camera in the competition such a way that I should be able to see your abacus from one side, and from the other side I should be able to see your table. Wherever you're sitting, I should be able to see it. If you're not understanding, we'll share some sample photos in the WhatsApp group, whatever we are creating. Okay, now coming to the prizes, will be given to top 3 people. We are going to give the prizes. What is the prize? It is a surprise. Now how to register for this online abacus competition? In the description we have provided a Google form. You can just fill that form and you are registered. Once you are done with the registering, we will create WhatsApp group for category 1 separately and category 2 separately. So if you are selected category 1, we will put you in category 1. If you select category 2, we will put you in WhatsApp group 2. Once you are done with filling the form, all the further communication will be done through only WhatsApp. That is the only source of communication between you and me. Now once after you are done with watching this video, registering, and once after you are in our WhatsApp group, coming to the date, on the day of competition, which is Saturday 25th September 8 o'clock, how are we going to conduct the competition? So in the description below you can check our sample papers. The competition paper will be exactly the same as the sample paper. The format is same. We will share our screen and we will start the timer you should start solving the questions. Whatever time it is, 5 minutes or 3 minutes, we will do it. And you should also set up your camera in such a way that I told you just now, you should set up the camera in that way, and then only you are eligible to write the competition. If you switch off your video, then we will disqualify you. Okay, once after you are done with your competition, we will correct your papers. Now how to upload your papers once after you are done, we will share one Google form in the competition. We will conduct the competition in Google Meet. We will share the link in the WhatsApp group. Once after you are done with your competition, you should share your answer sheet in the Google form, whatever we share in the competition, not in the description below. In the competition, we'll share one link. You should upload all your papers there. Now coming to the evaluation, how do we evaluate your papers? We evaluate your papers in such a way that there is 1 mark for each correct answer, and if there is a tie, for example, if 2 students got 40 and 40 and 1 student has done in 2 minutes, 1 student has done in 2 minutes 5 seconds, then 2 minutes is the fastest, so we'll consider 2 minutes student as the fastest guy. Now how will we decide the winners once everything is done? Winners we will decide just now. I said you, there is 1 mark for each correct answer. The top 3 people in each category will be the winners. We will give the prizes to them. What is the prize? It's a surprise. Now coming to the practice papers, they are in the description below. If you are category 1, there is one link. If you are category 2, there is another link. You can check that in the description below, along with the Google form for registration. Now coming to the results, when will we declare the results? The competition is on September 25th, which is Saturday. The results will be on October 2nd. October 2nd, we will declare the results in the WhatsApp group only. I said you, the communication is only through WhatsApp. So provide your WhatsApp number correctly, and we will share the results in the WhatsApp group itself. And one important rule is, you should fill in the same data in the Google form as well as in the competition. For example, if you are the winner, we will validate your identity through checking your details in the competition and also details in the registration form. And I'm repeating this one more time, this competition is for free. If you are from any institution, any level, or if you have learned Abacus in the past, you can still participate by just registering in the Google form below. We will only contact you and put you in the correct WhatsApp group. So share it with your friends, Abacus batchmates, and your school friends and your neighbors, everyone, whoever is interested to participate in this competition. There is no registration fee, and we are also going to give the prizes from our side. Okay, and the Google form is in the description for registration. If you are interested to register for the online Abacus competition, please find the Google form in the description below and get registered. We will only contact you and put you in the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching the video. And if you are interested to join our Abacus classes, we also conduct Abacus classes. If you are interested, you can contact or WhatsApp to this number. If you are interested to join our classes, you can just WhatsApp or contact. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. See you in the competition. Thank you.